Oh, look at these little blinds. All you do is lift them up like this. Damn. Huh. Pretty cool. There's a construction site. Here. Oh, frick. Jeez. I think I hit the freaking... There we go. See if... Trying not to give it to you guys, but I'm trying not to, like, there's... See it right there? I'm still in Hawaii. There's the truck and a pallet of boxes. Oh, it's a dump truck or something? These blinds, all you do is you pull them down. See? Gotta show you, hold on, let me. So you just pull them down like this. That's so cool. I never knew you can pull down these blinds. That's sick. Never seen blinds that do this. You know, you just push them up like this, put them where you want them, bam.